Oh, yeah.
There's no way. There's no way. These niggas finna be out of here by Friday. No fucking way.
I was just telling my mom that we got a lot of cool videos for y'all today. Stay tuned. Early morning shit. Like real early morning. Like the rooster just got done crowing. I just want to say, anybody out there, you can do it. Hard work. Stay down. Don't give up. Cause shit, we ain't made it yet, but we made it out here.
You're right.
Oh God. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. So today we finishing up the reticulated python cage, and I'm trying to figure out what I should do with this roof. No, so this is gonna be the roof, but I don't know if the screws are long enough to go through that. So, this one and this one this way, and I don't want that space right there, if you see. So I'm gonna go figure something out real quick, and then we're gonna get to building, man. All right, so I think I figured something out. Let me try it real quick. All right, this is my fix. I didn't straighten that out on that side, but we're gonna make sure this is aligned and put these in and put another top on top, and it'll be perfect. All right, so this shit's strong, like, ooh, strong. Just did a one-arm pull-up. But man, so y'all see what I did? I fit it in so that this is now on there, and we can just put the roof right on top and drill it in. Y'all feel me? So let's get into that, man. I'm loving it. I'm loving how it's turning out. Boy, this snake gonna love this enclosure, boy. We used to came in a rack this time last year, so we ain't had them that long. This nigga was in a rack system. Let me take a good piss and look at my enclosure. Whew. Trying to do some final measurements. Last 4 pieces of wood are right there. Perfect. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. So first I'm gonna place the wood up there. I'll do another time lapse. And then I gotta do this. Look at this pond, you guys. So I'm not sure if there was a hole or because of the heat, it might have just evaporated because it doesn't look like it's going into just one spot. So we gotta refill it up. It stayed up for, Bay! Yeah, pond stayed up for 3 days, so refill it every 2 to 3 days. That ain't bad. All right, man, my dad just brought breakfast. He's going back to up north. So it's back to just me and Anissa and the dogs. Hopefully it'll just be me and Anissa soon. Getting rid of these damn people that's in our house. I'm finna eat. All right, here's the top. I'm probably gonna need 1, 2, 4 of those at least. So I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done stapling this one down.
What you doing?
Ah, you caught me on my spell. I just put this heavy ass top up here, and Anissa helped me push it on the along. And now that it's even, I'm putting the top in, baby.
That nigga thought I was gonna be able to lift that shit. That shit heavy.
Yeah, that top was heavy as hell. I didn't even show that much building it either.
Danny?
It's so damn hot out here.
He's literally in the sun. Like, he's not doing what we said we're supposed to be doing. He's not doing no work in the shade during the hottest part of the day.
I was in the shade. The shade moved from the fig tree, babe.
So this how it's looking. It got a door and everything. Oh yeah.
Alright, y'all. It's that time of the day where it's too hot to do shit, and Kyle still like to be outside doing shit. So, I mean, we outside, but Nisa be under the carport. I'll show y'all what I got. So I found a bunch of junk in here, obviously, but these might be usable. This was all in there, which I'm gonna turn it over and show y'all. I think that's a tampon. Yeah. And then we got a bunch of tires, a trough. But yeah, I was just dragging this. I'm gonna drag it out. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. And that's my damn Crocs out. Big boy, big boy, big boy. Yep, good boy. Let me drag this out, right? I just had a good idea to hang this up, but I gotta remove some stuff, so let's see. So this is what I did. And let's try to take this right from up under here like that. There we fucking go, man. Hide box for the snake. And this bitch is 30. Cause this bitch 30. Like, y'all saw me hang earlier. Ain't no way for me to hang no more. But man, I tucked them chains in the back, put them in, and put hella bolts right there. We all good. All right, man, who paying attention? We got the hide box up, watered the dish, added a bunch of dirt, surrounded the sides. So, yeah, man, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be good for now. I wanna add more stuff, but for now, this is perfect, I'm thinking. Eventually, I wanna add a tree that goes up to there, go that way and up. Yo! One of the best moments has come, y'all. We finna, hold on. This is a good day to be at Kyle's Wildlife Refuge. The big snake gets to go in his big enclosure. So, let's take him in. Record for me?
No. Oh. Go ahead.
Come on, big boy. Oh! He ain't too happy. He been in this bin for I don't know how long. I think 3 days, 4 days. Woo! He cut his head up a little bit. So in here, he'll be doing way better. I know he'll like it 100% more.
Oh, he trying to get you. Oh, he fucked his head up.
Yeah, really bad. Alright, man. Got the locks on. The boy might be a little in shock. He was just, he's still drinking water. He knows we're here. So do y'all think all this space for my boy? Imagine this snake just shot back at me. He's beat up, y'all. Oh. So we're gonna get this big boy his time to adjust. And yeah. How do y'all think he'll do out here? Let me know down below. I'm thinking he'll do pretty good. I'm hoping so. Oof. Natural sunlight. Space. A lot of it. Ooh. Man, I'll keep y'all updated on his face too, because you can see it's really messed up. Here's a short time lapse. I just gotta dig out a hole and put this tub in for the Tegu's water. So let's get it. Alrighty, man. Here goes the Tegu's enclosure. It's looking good. Looking good. Make sure that shit pat down right there. All good and clean form. We're gonna dirty it up a little bit. It's all good though. Look who driving. You driving, boy? You driving, boy? YouTube, we got Killer with a Schmiller with a Biller with Schmiller with a Biller with Willow. Look at this nice, freshly every morning cut grass that our neighbors have. Our neighbors went out of town and they asked us to check their property, make sure their chickens are still alive, and all that good stuff. So we're gonna do that for them for I don't know how long. I think the next few days though. And yeah, they've been out here since last August. So pretty cool. And he got AC, he got a nice shed. He left the AC on. He left it running. He's crazy. Alrighty, time to go before our neighbor's cat gets us. Good defense, cat. Good job. Alrighty. Alrighty. You got us. Oh, hell no. Alright, don't run at this dog. I don't want to have to tell my buddy, our neighbors, what happened. They got good land, though.